Welcome, students. Today you're going to be working solo, working on a model of weathering and erosion. Speaking of erosion, did you hear about the drastic erosion of the pyramids? Yeah, me too. I kind of hear they're pointless now. Get it? Pointless? No point because of the erosion? Anyways, all right. So before we start, I want to tell you that scientific diagrams are based on explanation, not on art. So you don't have to be concerned with whether or not you're a great artist. You're just going to focus on whether you are explaining something correctly. Would you please pause this video, and you're going to set up a mountain. You're going to set up um, a hill. You're going to set up a small stream. You can do it all in pencil. Um, Please make sure to label the hill, and please make sure also to label the stream. Please make sure to label your paper erosion and weathering diagram. You'll have 3 of those before today is finished. Go ahead and pause and then come on back. All right, so the first thing that you're going to work on is a factor of weathering. So there are 5 factors. There's wind and water, ice, and plants and animals. I want you to think of one way that this area or this landscape here could be weathered. For example, if you wanted to have it be wind only, then you'll just draw wind. You're going to only choose one of them. If it's going to be rain, you can draw a cloud with some rain that's coming down. You can have multiple animals, small animals if you want, or even plants that are coming up. And so go ahead and draw whether you're going to have wind or rain or plants, or whether it's animals, and pause the video. All right, welcome back. You are now going to represent the weathering of this hill. So in this section right over here, use your imagination of how you're going to show that this part of the hill has been weathered or broken down into smaller pieces. You've already chosen whether it's wind or water or plants or animals. And now pause the video and show what it would look like if it's weathering. Please also add a line. We only use lines and diagrams. If we're using an arrow, it shows movement. And then you're going to write the word weathering to show where the weathering has occurred. So go ahead and pause. Okay. So now that we have our weathering agent, and now we have our weathering, you're now going to work on erosion. So now that this material has been weathered, you're going to use your imagination again. Where would it go if it eroded? You're going to use an arrow in this case because the weathered material will be moving. So pause the video and show with an arrow that the material that's been weathered is moving down the stream. Welcome back. The last one you're going to work on is deposition. Deposition is when sediment is laid down. You're going to show that deposition down in this area way down here. Your material has weathered and it's broken away. It's now eroded, shown by arrows. And then down here, you're going to show how that clay or that sand or those pebbles, how they are laid down in the stream and how they settle to the bottom. Great job today with your erosion and weathering diagram. Have a wonderful day.